Hi kids, we hope you're having a great day. For today's episode, we have short vowel words for the vowel E. Ready to learn these new simple words? Awesome, let's start. Bed. Duh. Bed. This is a bed. Bed. Red. Duh. Red. This apple is red. Red. Den. Nah. Den. This is a den. Den. Pen. Nah. Pen. This is a pen. Pen. Hen. Nah. Hen. This is a hen. Hen. Ten. Nah. 10. This is the number 10. 10. Jet. Jet. This is a jet. Jet. Net. Net. This is a net. Net. Pet. Pet. This is a pet. Pet. Peg. Peg. This is a tent peg. Peg. Gem. Gem. This is a gem. Gem. Bell. Bell. This is a bell. Bell. And that's it for today's episode. You're a star. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.